Hey everyone, my name is Alex Garzin and I'm an occupational therapy assistant student from Fox College, and today I'm going to be presenting my movement analysis video. Today my mom will be demonstrating washing the windows in our house. Right away we can see Newton's third law of motion into play. This law states for every action there's an equal and opposite reaction. When she applies force on the step of the ladder with her foot, the ladder is going to apply force back onto her foot. Friction can be seen here with the grooves on the ladder steps and the bottoms of her slippers. The soles of the slippers have a thick surface area which allow for better friction. An occupational therapy intervention would be to educate my mom into using some house gym shoes with laces for extra support and safety, since the laces could provide more support to the foot. The simple machine that is used in this task is an inclined plane, which would be the ladder. For reference, my mom is 4'9" and she needs the extra height to complete this task effectively and safely. When she's first applying Windex, she's on the first step of the ladder with her center of gravity sitting in the anterior aspect of her trunk, right underneath her belly button. Her base of support at this time are her feet and the legs of the ladder, and her base of support is narrow due to the width of the ladder. Now with her right shoulder flexion while spraying the bottle, we know that her muscle strength is at a 4. The spray bottle adds moderate resistance. The glenohumeral joint is synovial and a ball and socket joint. Synovial joints allow for big movements and are freely moving joints. The glenohumeral joint is triaxial, which means it has 3 degrees of freedom, which is the highest degree possible. This joint moves within 3 planes. While cleaning the windows with the Windex and the paper towel, we can see right shoulder flexion. Shoulder flexion is done within the sagittal plane with a frontal axis. Approximate range of motion with her right shoulder flexion in this task is 70 to 160 degrees. We can see this when she's moving up and down with the paper towel in that sagittal plane. At this point, my mom's center of gravity has now shifted out in front of her body as she is leaning forward on the window panel, and the redistribution of her weight now is more superior. Her base of support has also increased with her left hand resting on the trim for more stability. Here we can see her right shoulder having an element of horizontal adduction when she slides her hands across to the left in front of her. This occurs in the transverse plane on a vertical axis. Approximate range of motion for my mom's right shoulder horizontal adduction is 70 to 120 degrees in this task. As my mom moves the ladder away after this clip, friction has now decreased since her shoes are now on thick pile carpet. She's now lowering her center of gravity to the ground, which means it is now descending vertically towards her feet. Her base of support includes her feet on the ground and left hand on the ottoman next to her. Since her base of support is low and wide, she has greater stability. Now, since my mom does not have any physical deficits, occupational therapy could intervene to recommend using a long-handled window cleaning squeegee that would allow my mom to clean the windows without using a ladder for extra height that she needs or bending down too much if that was a concern. And that is all. Thank you so much for watching.